A critical skills employment permit is one type of work permit which is designed for skilled in-demand workers who are in professions. The applicant's occupation must be listed on the Department of Enterprise, Trade and Employment's Critical Skills Occupations List. The Critical Skills Occupations List gets reviewed and then updated periodically. The Employment Permits Amendment Number 3 Regulations 2023 amended the previous year's statutory regulations, and the occupations list has changed again in 2024. The employee should have a job offer of at least 2 years. From the 17th of January 2024, a new critical skills permit salary annual threshold will be 38,000. An applicant who has a salary of 64,000 whose occupation is not specified on the ineligible list of occupations or is not incompatible with public interest can also